In this video, we are going to fix an issue the more advanced programmers may have spotted all the way back when we were looking at selection statements. Do you remember this code? A selection statement that will run the desired code if both username and password variables are true. However, nesting the second selection inside the first was very messy, and instead we can do this. While this code acts almost exactly the same as the previous, the condition being on the same line increases the readability and understanding of the code compared to the first. Breaking this condition down, it reads, if username equals admin and password equals password, then the condition is true. Using the double ampersand symbol is how we achieve this. Both this condition and this condition must be equal to true for the entire condition to evaluate as true. This is known as a Boolean operator. Named after the English mathematician George Boole, he invented a symbolic logic known as Boolean algebra, where the values are either true or false. Boolean algebra centers around three simple operators, and, or, and not. Let's look at another example using the or condition this time. Many social media websites require the user to be 13 before being allowed to sign up to them, or they may require parent permission. While this code may look a bit different if we were taking inputs from a database, we've simplified it by taking them as user inputs. The condition here reads, if age is greater than 13 or parent permission is equal to y, then the condition is true. Put simply, by using the pipe symbol twice, done by holding down the shift and pressing backslash on an English keyboard, we write an or statement that requires only one of the conditions to be true for the whole condition to evaluate to true, either age being greater than 13 or parent permission being y. Let's use the or symbol in a different way. In this example, we have asked the user to input a number between 1 and 10. The condition will ask the user to repeat the input while the user input is less than 1 or the user input is greater than 10. A common mistake with this type of condition is forgetting that you need to repeat the variable in both conditions, otherwise the code will not work as intended. Now we've seen and or in action, let's take a look at not. Not is a simple operator that will reverse whatever the original condition evaluates to. C# uses an exclamation mark for its not symbol, and we surround the condition we want to reverse with brackets. So this condition reads, not password equals password. Or more simply, if password does not equal to password, the condition is true. While this may seem a little confusing, all that this selection is doing is outputting an error, incorrect password, if they haven't put in the correct password. Let's combine some Boolean operators now. In this program, we have asked the user to input a menu choice between 1, 2, or 3. We have used the OR operator to check if the user has input 1, 2, or 3. However, if they do not input those numbers, we want to give them an error message and input again, so we have surrounded all three conditions with the NOT operator. So the statement now reads, loop while menu choice does not equal 1, 2, or 3. Now try some of these on-screen challenges. At this point of the series, you should be combining techniques learned in previous videos, which I've linked in the description. If you can do all 4 challenges without help, then let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, also let me know in the comments. If you would like to see step-by-step answers to these challenges, there will be a follow-on video which I will pin in the comments. If you learned something new from this video, or enjoyed it otherwise, please give this video a like and tap that subscribe button for more coding videos.